Have you ever wondered what secrets drift between the stars? Silent travelers that carry messages older than Earth itself? Imagine a visitor from another star system, a mysterious wanderer that suddenly appears in our skies. No warning, no origin story, just a flash across the telescope's eye, moving too fast, too strange to belong here. This is not science fiction. It's happening right now. Astronomers have named it 3I Atlas, and some believe it might be the most mysterious object humanity has ever encountered. If you think this is just another comet, watch carefully until the end, because what you're about to hear might change the way you see the universe forever. On July 1st, 2025, the Atlas Survey Telescope in Chile caught sight of a faint, icy body. At first glance, it looked like a normal comet, but its orbit told a different story. This wasn't a member of our solar system's ancient family of comets. Instead, its path was hyperbolic, meaning it isn't bound by the gravity of the sun. It came from the stars, and soon it will return to them. 3I Atlas is only the third confirmed interstellar object ever seen, after Oumuamua in 2017 and Borisov in 2019. But unlike its predecessors, Atlas moves with incredible speed, about 58 kilometers per second, making it the fastest interstellar traveler we've ever recorded. That speed alone tells us one thing: this visitor is on a one-way journey. And yet what truly intrigues scientists is its composition. Even before reaching the sun, Atlas began releasing gas and dust, creating a glowing tail visible in deep space images. Observations from the James Webb Space Telescope revealed signs of carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and even water ice. A mix that suggests this ancient traveler may have formed in conditions very different from our own solar system. But here's the chilling part. Based on its chemical fingerprints and its orbital path, Atlas might be older than our entire solar system, possibly 7 to 11 billion years in age. That makes it a messenger from a time before Earth, before the sun, before the planets you and I call home. Think about that. We're watching something drift past us that could hold the raw ingredients of alien worlds formed billions of years ago. This is only the beginning of the story, because the closer Atlas gets to the sun, the more secrets it will reveal. And in part 2, we'll dive deeper into its strange orbit, the reasons why scientists are both excited and unsettled, and the theories, some scientific, some far stranger, about what this interstellar visitor might truly be. And as with any mystery from the stars, questions begin to rise. Why does it shine brighter than expected? Why does it release gas even at extreme distances, where comets usually stay silent? And the biggest mystery of all, where exactly did it come from? Some astronomers believe it emerged from the thick disk of the Milky Way, a region filled with some of the oldest stars in our galaxy. Others whisper that perhaps its unusual glow hints at something unnatural. Whether you believe in cosmic coincidences or in messages written across the stars, 3I Atlas challenges what we thought we knew. If it is natural, it could answer questions about how planetary systems are born in distant galaxies. But if there's more to it, if its light carries a secret, we may be standing on the edge of a revelation that could shake science to its core. When scientists traced the path of 3I Atlas, the first detail that stunned them was its eccentricity. Most comets in our solar system follow elongated ovals, pulled back by the sun's gravity like stones on a string. Atlas, however, is different. Its orbit has an eccentricity of over 6, so extreme that it doesn't curve back, it slices through space like a spear. This confirms beyond doubt it is not from here. It entered our solar system from the galactic void, and nothing will ever bring it back. At its closest point, or perihelion, Atlas will swing just beyond Earth's orbit, around 136 AU from the sun. That means it won't come dangerously close to our planet, but even from that distance, its speed and brightness make it stand out as something extraordinary. But here's the enigma. Even before reaching the warmth of the sun, Atlas was already showing signs of life: jets of gas, a bright coma, a tail stretching thousands of kilometers. Typical comets wait until they draw close to the sun to awaken. So why was Atlas active at such extreme distances? Some astronomers suggest it holds a rare chemistry with volatile ices like carbon monoxide that sublimate far from heat. Others whisper a stranger possibility, that its unusual glow could be the result of processes we do not yet understand. Or perhaps something deliberately engineered? Its speed adds to the mystery. At nearly 58 kilometers per second, Atlas outpaces not only Oumuamua and Borisov, but nearly every natural object we've ever tracked. That velocity hints at a powerful origin, perhaps ejected violently from a distant star system billions of years ago. Think of it. An ancient explosion or planetary collision could have hurled this icy shard across the galaxy, setting it on a voyage that ends with us as silent witnesses. But if it truly is a messenger, what story is it telling? Some scientists believe it's chemical, how early star systems formed, possibly revealing what alien planets are made of. Others are unsettled by its brightness, by the way it almost seems to shine with its own light. Theories range from exotic physics to speculation that chills the imagination. Could Atlas be more than a comet? Could it be a fragment of something artificial? A relic from another civilization drifting endlessly between stars? Of course, the mainstream answer remains: Atlas is a comet, nothing more. But history reminds us that every great discovery begins with questions that seem impossible. For now, 3I Atlas keeps its silence, streaking through the solar system on its ancient path. And yet, the closer it gets to the sun, the stranger its story may become. But the mystery of 3I Atlas runs deeper than speed or orbit. Even far from the sun, where comets should sleep in silence, Atlas was already alive. Jets of gas bursting, a glow stretching across space. Some say it's due to exotic ices like carbon monoxide. Others wonder if something more unusual is at play. Why does it shine brighter than expected? Why does it almost seem to glow on its own? Oumuamua puzzled us with its strange shape. Borisov reminded us that interstellar visitors are real. Now Atlas arrives, faster, older, and more active than them all. 3 cosmic messengers in less than a decade. Is this mere chance, or the beginning of a pattern? If Atlas is natural, it could hold the raw ingredients of alien worlds frozen for billions of years before drifting to us. But if even part of the stranger theories are true, if its light or path hints at something artificial, then we may be looking at a message sent across the galaxy. A silent signal written in ice and dust. Soon Atlas will sweep past the sun and disappear forever. Its secrets may never be fully revealed. But maybe its true purpose is not to give us answers, but to force us to ask the right questions. And here's the final one. If Atlas is a messenger, then who or what sent it? If you want to keep uncovering mysteries like this, make sure to subscribe to Deeper Sense. Because here, we don't just tell stories, we seek the truths hidden between the stars. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up before leaving. Thank you for watching.